Hey everybody, it's Marty from aspectLED. Today we are going to talk about our N-Series aspectLED quick connector. We have the N-Series connectors available in 3 different versions. We have the single wire end, the double end connector, and the splice connector. Here I have our N-Series strip light. It still has the factory leads attached. If you're installing something and you have these, you want to leave these attached because they're a great soldered connection. But if you have an application where you need to segment the strip, one option is to use our quick connectors. All of these connectors have a little latch door like this. When we're orientating these and putting them onto the strip, it's important that we line this notch up so that it slips around the LED. It doesn't go like this, it goes like this. And you simply slide the strip in to the track and as far as you can in here, and then you're going to close the little door here and make sure the tabs on both sides latch just like that. When you're cutting the strip, it's important that you don't cut at an angle because you want to have as much of the pad and just follow the line. So you want to cut right down the middle of the line. So I like to get it lined up with the cut of the blade right on the line. You can kind of pivot the scissors, get it so it's lined up, and make one nice clean slice. Look at that. We have a beautiful connection there. Plenty of copper pad on both sides. Okay, we have all of these connectors set up now and are ready to show you how each one's being used. Alright, we have the single-ended connector hooked up here back to our power supply. Here we have the double-ended connector joining 2 strips together. And then over here we have the splice connector joining 2 strips without wires. It's important to note if you're using these connectors that they are a quick connector. If you want a long-term solution, soldering is going to give you a better and more stable long-term connection. It's also important to note the polarity of the connectors. The red needs to connect to the positive side and the black needs to connect to the negative side. If it's different, you need to change it so that it matches. You also have to make sure that you have the flexible door shut all the way and snapped in place. These can only be used with aspectLED brand strip lights. It's also important to note that these are limited to being used in one real length of strip lights, which is 16.4 feet. If you need to do more than this, you should look at soldering. If you would like to see some information on soldering, please check out our video here. For more helpful videos, please like and subscribe.